Have you ever wanted to use 3D printing for pharma, biotech, or food processing, but knew one failed validation could shut it down? In these environments, parts don't just need to work. They need to be safe, repeatable, and validated. Making a few parts is easy. Making the same biocompatible part every time is not. We've been there too. We know what it's like when a process works once but doesn't hold up day to day. So, we focused on keeping the process simple, removing unnecessary steps. Simple enough that it works on a hectic Monday morning or an easy Friday afternoon, and still deliver the same result. This focus on simplicity led us to PEN. Here's why it works so well in practice. Small details are usually where processes break. With PEN, there's no glue, no extra prep, and no time wasted removing brims. Just press print. When those small steps disappear, everything gets simpler. Training is easier, repeating the process is easier, and trusting the result is easier. "3D printing stops being something you have to babysit and starts behaving like a process you can rely on. Take a look at the as-printed surface finish. This is the part as it comes off the printer. No post-processing, no coating, no extra steps. These parts are already in use today in environments that depend on consistent results. When validation matters, reliability matters. This is what reliable 3D printing should look like.